Hi, Babas! We got a video, and this one is called I Am a Dump Truck.
Ooh, that's a cool dump truck. That's a dump truck book.
Yeah. And
See?
then, so the first one is,
I'm a backhoe. See me dig up dirt? Where's your backhoe?
backhoe is right. Which one? This one? This one right here? Yeah, this one right here. See that? That's a backhoe, Babas. And also you could see me dig up. What's that? You could see me dig up dirt right here. All right.
Oh, cool.
And what's next?
I'm a bulldozer. See me push the dirt.
Oh yeah. And I am a front loader right there. See me lift up the dirt. So you lift up the dirt, right? We have one? Yeah, we do. So we have this one right here. It lifts up the dirt right here. See that? It lifts up the dirt. Boom, boom. There you go. And what's next?
I'm a dump truck. See me carry the dirt.
And also see me dump the dirt right here. So yeah,
Carry and dump.
I'm gonna dump it, Babas. I'm gonna dump it. Woo! I dumped it. See that? I dump it. There you go.
Ooh.
Yeah. And then what we got? What we have here?
Ooh, we are trucks.
Oh yeah. So we have a bulldozer right here. And we have the backhoe right here. These are backhoes. And we have the dump truck right there. And it's all done. All done, Babas. All done. All done. All done. And that's the beginning. That's the beginning right there. And that's the end. All done.